Let me just... Now what do I do?
Okay everyone, welcome to my Rube Goldberg. Okay, this is original and creative. Firstly, this will start off with the elastic potential energy, and then we start off with the both chemical and elastic potential energy, because batteries are really chemical form of energy. I remember that once when my grandfather lit batteries. Then I'll go around here, hit there, a symbol of kinetic energy, sending the dominoes rolling down with the book, pushing Bertie here, then the ball will roll down, causing gravitational potential energy. All books will fall down, hit the remote, send this train running around which will create light, then send this other book down, hit there, and play Oliver Dragovich CD, therefore ending it with sound energy. Let me show you how it works. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Action! It's off, there's running down the tracks.